Where are you, Polly? I've left.
I'm in the spider area.
Are you okay?
I want to get his body.
Do you want me to help you? Do you want some help, buddy?
No, that's not me.
I'm coming.
This is a big thing.
What is it? Is it the spider?
Big lizard.
I hear you. Come on, buddy.
I mean, I could probably bait it.
You think? Try baiting it.
Nah.
Okay, what do you have on you?
Ready on a torch?
Okay, I'll bait it.
I could probably go past it.
Try. What's happening?
The lizard just charged down. Oh my god, he's right there. Here I go. Uh-oh. Here I go.
Let's
Oh
go.
my god.
Let's get out of here. I'm holding 43 pounds.
Dude, both of them were chasing me.
That's insane, actually. This is a beehive? Are you kidding me? We just got him out. We just fucking got you out, dude. Are you serious? Hey guys.
Why did you say there's a beehive after I jumped onto it?
I didn't know that. That shit was fucking.
Put that
That was like
beehive there.
that was like a cartoon. I swear to God.